1. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? A. Blood. B. Bone. C. Cartilage. D. Skin. Answer. D. Skin. 2. Which connective tissue connects muscles to bones? A. Ligament. B. Cartilage. C. Tendon. D. Areola. Answer. C. Tendon. 3. The tissue responsible for movement in our body is A. Epithelial tissue. B. Connective tissue. C. Muscular tissue. D. Nervous tissue. Answer. C. Muscular tissue. 4. Which epithelial tissue forms the lining of the lungs and allows exchange of gases? A. Cuboidal epithelium. B. Columnar epithelium. C. Ciliated epithelium. D. Squamous epithelium. Answer. D. Squamous epithelium. 5. Which muscle tissue is involuntary and non-striated? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Smooth muscle. D. Voluntary muscle. Answer. C. Smooth muscle. 6. Cartilage is a type of A. Muscular tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Connective tissue. D. Epithelial tissue. Answer. C. Connective tissue. 7. Which of the following tissues helps in the repair of injured body parts? A. Muscular tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Connective tissue. D. Epithelial tissue. Answer. C. Connective tissue. 8. Which connective tissue joins bones to bones? A. Ligaments. B. Tendons. C. Cartilage. D. Adipose. Answer. A. Ligaments. 9. The matrix of bone is rich in A. Starch and oil. B. Calcium and phosphorus. C. Protein and iron. D. Potassium and sodium. Answer. B. Calcium and phosphorus. 10. Which type of muscular tissue is found in the heart? A. Skeletal. B. Smooth. C. Cardiac. D. Voluntary. Answer. C. Cardiac. 11. Which type of epithelial tissue helps in absorption in the intestine? A. Simple squamous. B. Columnar. C. Cuboidal. D. Stratified. Answer. B. Columnar. 12. Adipose tissue stores A. Protein. B. Carbohydrate. C. Fat. D. Minerals. Answer. C. Fat. 13. Which tissue transmits messages in the body? A. Connective tissue. B. Muscular tissue. C. Epithelial tissue. D. Nervous tissue. Answer. D. 14. Which of the following tissues has a fluid matrix? A. Bone. B. Cartilage. C. Ligament. D. Blood. Answer. D. 15. Which epithelial tissue has hair-like projections? A. Ciliated columnar epithelium. B. Squamous epithelium. C. Cuboidal epithelium. D. Transitional epithelium. Answer. A. 16. Which of the following tissues is responsible for voluntary movements? A. Smooth muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Skeletal muscle. D. Involuntary muscle. Answer. C. 17. What is the basic unit of nervous tissue? A. Axon. B. Dendrite. C. Neuron. D. Nerve. Answer. C. 18. Bone cells are called A. Chondrocytes. B. Neurons. C. Osteocytes. D. Erythrocytes. Answer. C. 19. Which of the following tissues lacks blood supply and heals slowly? A. Cartilage. B. Bone. C. Skin. D. Muscle. Answer. A. 20. The epithelium which appears multilayered but is actually a single layer is called A. Transitional. B. Pseudostratified. C. Stratified squamous. D. Columnar. Answer. B.